Your iPhone is stuck on Apple logo boot loop. We'll fix this immediately, no computer needed. First, force restart. Press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold side button until the Apple logo reappears. This clears minor software glitches. If that fails, let your iPhone's battery completely drain until it powers off. Charge it fully for an hour before powering on. This deep power cycle resets components. Still stuck? Inspect your charging port and cables for debris or damage. A compromised connection or link can disrupt power, causing boot failures. Swap out your charger and cable to rule out hardware issues. Finally, for persistent loops, try an advanced power cycle. Hold the side button 10 seconds, release, then press again. Then, hold volume down 10 seconds, release and press again. These specific timings can sometimes jolt the iPhone out of its frozen state. These powerful workarounds will resolve your iPhone boot loop without any computer